If you want to analyze your marketing and sales data in a more powerful way, connecting HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI is a great step, especially for beginners who want better insights and reporting. In this tutorial, you will learn exactly how to connect both platforms step by step, so you can create dashboards and visualize your data easily. This integration helps you combine your CRM data with advanced analytics to make smarter decisions. First, make sure you have active accounts on both HubSpot and Power BI. Log into your Power BI account and go to the main dashboard. From there, click on Get Data. Power BI provides multiple ways to connect data sources, but for HubSpot, you will typically use a third-party connector or API method because there is no direct native connector in most versions. One of the easiest ways for beginners is to use a connector tool like a data integration service that links HubSpot to Power BI. Next, go to HubSpot and access your data settings. You will need your API key or private app token to allow external tools to access your data securely. To do this, go to Settings, then navigate to Integrations, and create a private app. Copy the access token provided. This token will be used to connect HubSpot with Power BI. Now return to Power BI and choose the option to connect via web or API. Paste the HubSpot API endpoint along with your access token. If you are using a third-party connector, simply log in with your HubSpot credentials and authorize access. Once connected, you will see available data such as contacts, deals, companies, and activities. Select the data you want to import and load it into Power BI. After importing, you can start building your reports. Use Power BI's drag-and-drop interface to create charts, tables, and dashboards. You can filter data, create relationships between tables, and design custom visuals to better understand your performance. This is where the real value of the integration comes in. Another important step is to set up data refresh. You can schedule automatic updates so your reports always show the latest data from HubSpot. This ensures your decisions are based on real-time information. Also, make sure your data is clean and well-structured before creating reports to avoid confusion. In simple terms, connecting HubSpot with Microsoft Power BI involves getting API access from HubSpot, connecting it to Power BI using a connector or API method, importing your data, and building visual reports. This allows you to turn raw data into meaningful insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, keep following for more beginner-friendly guides that help you use tools like HubSpot and Power BI more effectively.